What we have here is what is pretty much known as Mastercraft. We don't know exactly what the brand was, but yeah, it's, some say it's Brown, but I don't think so. It's labeled Mastercraft. We don't really know what it is. You can kind of see it has a click knob, a 3-speed click knob. The pull chain is on and off. Pulled this out of an abandoned building out near Pittsburgh. It's a 52-inch span. Others have 48-inch. It is antique white, off-white in color. I find it slightly interesting. Anyway, yeah, here's the top of the fan. Let's see what it does starting on low. Go now to medium. Bearings are a little loud, as this thing was in an abandoned building for about 20-ish years. Even still has its abando filth. Now, who doesn't love filth? Now to high. Performance is somewhat average. It's maybe 170, 180 on high. Not what I would call super powerful, but it gets the job done nevertheless. Also note the nice ornate switch cap. Turning it off. This thing uses a 3/4 inch down rod and a deep ball socket canopy. Relatively unique parts, actually. The blades do have wood grain to them. So they're antique white wood grain. And the filth kind of amplifies that pattern. And there you have it, a Grown or whatever Mastercraft GE vent thing.